In this video, I'll show you how to create a folder using the Google Drive node in N8n, step by step. This is a quick and useful workflow action when you want to automatically organize files, generate project folders, or prepare a destination inside Google Drive as part of your automation. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more simple N8n tutorials. Let's get into it. First, open the workflow you want to work on inside N8n. Make sure you're in the correct automation because this is where the Google Drive folder creation step will be added. Next, go to the Nodes panel and search for Google Drive. Once you see the Google Drive node, click to add it to your workflow. After the node is added, open its settings. From the available operations, choose Create Folder. This tells N8n that you want this node to make a new folder in Google Drive instead of uploading or updating a file. Now it's time to configure what you want to create. Enter the folder details you want N8n to use, such as the folder name and any other required fields. Make sure the configuration matches the folder you want created in Google Drive. Once that is set, your node is ready to run as part of the workflow. At this point, you can continue building the rest of your automation or test this node to confirm it creates the folder correctly. And that's it. You've now learned how to create a folder using the Google Drive node in N8n. If this helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more N8n workflow tutorials.